How to change region in Riot account. If you're playing Riot games like League of Legends, Valorant, or other titles and you want to change your region, you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to easily update a region on your Riot account, so let's get started. First, head over to the Riot Games website. If you're not already logged in, enter your email address and password and sign into your Riot account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the account settings menu. Now, you should see a variety of options here related to your personal information, game settings, and more. Now, to change your region, you'll need to find the section where your current region is listed. For Leagues of Legends or Valorant, this is usually under the regional settings or account info tab. Click on region or change region if it's available. In some cases, Riot may not allow you to change the region directly from the website. If you don't see an option to change your region directly, don't worry, you'll need to contact Riot Games support for assistance. To do this, go to the Riot support page and submit a ticket requesting a region change. Be sure to include your current region, the region you want to switch to, and the reason for the change. Once Riot has processed your request, they'll confirm the region change. And that's it. You've now learned how to change your Riot account region.